Good morning. What happened on February 6, 1952? Ago, on the 6th February 1952, King George VI, Queen Elizabeth II father, died, died following a prolonged illness, and Princess Elizabeth II immediately acceded to the throne, becoming Queen Elizabeth II and taking all of the responsibilities which came with her new title. This year of 2026 marks my impending accession to the British throne to formally succeed my predecessor, my mother, Her Royal Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. Please note, though, that the previous coronation of King Charles III, held on the 6th May 2023, will be deemed invalid due to his illegitimacy as here apparent, since he was just an adopted son or prince of the reigning Queen Elizabeth II. On top of King Charles III illegitimacy or disqualification, the said coronation made in 2023 was a fraud because they because the alleged death of Queen Elizabeth II was fraud, fake, and hoax. British monarchy in 2022, headed by Queen Elizabeth II herself, conspired with the fraudulent funeral of Queen Elizabeth II to cover up the assassination plot made against HRH Prince Harry of Wales, popularly known as Prince Harry of Wales, also known as Captain Harry Wales, which was made through secret military exile and fraud impersonation of Duke of Sussex since June 20th, 2015. Therefore, after continuous mismanagement, maladministration, corruption, fraud, malversation of public funds, plunder, theft, or identity theft, misrepresentation, and high treason, or known as betrayal of public trust, and attempted murder of the husband of the here apparent Princess Beverly, myself, it's just appropriate to rectify the irregularities, to restore order, balance, and equilibrium inside the United Kingdom. Please be guided accordingly.